Okay, in this video, how to do a checkbox list and then alphabetize it A to Z or Z to A, whatever you want, really quickly, really easily. So this is the list I've got. It's the names of some dogs. And first of all, I want to make this into a checkbox list. So I'm going to select them like so. And then I'm going to go to Format, Bullets and Numbering, Checklist menu. And I'm going to come down to the two options here. One, when you check it off, it puts a line through. One, when you tick it, it doesn't. But I'm going to go with the line. So like that. So when we check one, we get that. Okay, so I want this to go A to Z. So there are two ways you could do this. You can do it without an extension and use Google Sheets, or you can use it with an extension, which is much quicker, much easier, but you will just have to quickly add the extension. It's completely free. So let's just do the Google Sheets way. So you've got your list copied. So you've got your list selected, just copy. And if we head over to a new Google Sheets document here, let's paste in that list like so. Then all we need to do is to come up to what do we come up to? We come up to data and sort range A to Z. Okay, so that's sorted A to Z, A to Z. Let's copy that. Let's come back to our Google Docs and let's paste that in. Let's not paste that in. Let's do this without formatting. So instead of Control V, I'm going to go Shift Control V, or go to the edit menu and do paste without formatting. Okay, so just select that back again, paste without formatting. Now we have our checklist and it's alphabetized A to Z. So that's actually not that difficult. Here's a different way of doing it though. Let's put that back. So if you go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, and the add-on we're looking for, which you can see I've already got, is sorted paragraphs. So we go to get add-ons, give it a quick search for sorted paragraphs, and this is the extension here. Add that in, and then when you've got it set up, all you have to do is select your list again, come up to extensions, sorted paragraphs, sort A to Z. It does a little bit of work in the background, and there we go, all done, alphabetized. So there's two ways to do it. Really easy, really quick in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.